morning, guys. I am about to head to the gym and have an awesome glute workout. I'm determined to lift slightly heavy today, maybe do some heavy squats. I'm not sure, not totally committed right now, just see how I feel when I get there. But yeah, I will be sure to record it for you guys, and I will see you at the gym. What's up, guys? Thought I would do another voiceover for this workout. So here I'm just doing cable rows, and I do a moderate amount of weight. I do about 30 to 35 pounds, sometimes 40 when I'm doing rows, when I'm doing it on the cable machine. So just making sure to really isolate and focus on the pull backwards and not using your shoulders or your biceps to pull that weight, but to use just your back. And here I'm doing dumbbell flies. I always incorporate these on back day, and I'm only doing 5 pounds, but if you really are isolating and you focus on the movement, you focus on pulling from your back, you're gonna really get a good burn from even 5 or 7.5 pounds. So I like to superset these in with other back exercises that I do, so that's what I did. Next, I did rope lat pull downs, and with these, you wanna pull with your arms straight until you get to about your belly button, where you start to bend your arms and really squeeze in your lats and squeeze the rest of your back to pull the weight down. You just want to really focus on refraining from using your shoulders or your biceps or anything else to pull the weight, just focusing on using your back. I also wanted to do some squats. I know that this isn't a leg day, but I really try to do squats every single day, and you'll notice that when I'm doing these, I make sure to squeeze my glutes at the top. An ugly butt in the gym is a cute butt outside the gym, so even if you feel awkward squeezing your butt and you feel ugly when you do it, just do it.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my
Alright, guys, it's gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video. I'm so sorry that it was all over the place, but I've been traveling, so workout footage is pretty much the only consistent thing you're gonna see. But please make sure to like this video and subscribe. Again, that just helps send people to my channel who wouldn't normally be sent to my channel, so please do that, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!